I am very happy to communicate. We are going to organize one-day workshop for pharmacy students, whereas in one day we are going to cover all the details related to plan your career in pharmaceutical profession. That is, what are the career opportunities available in pharmacy profession. Apart from this, those who would like to become entrepreneur, for them, what are the domestic opportunities available? That is what we are going to cover in this one-day workshop. And last but not least, what are the export opportunities available in this pharmaceutical domain? So do attend the workshop on Sunday, 24th of November 2024 at Pune. It's available online as well as offline. To know details, text Pharma workshop on 8983455585. Best wishes. Regards, Dr. Girish Telan, Pharma Focus, Pune. Thank you.